Hey there, Blue Merinos. We are getting ready to tie a pink and black bow. It's going to go great for a swag we're making. So we have 3 ribbons we've brought into play here. I love Harlequin for Halloween. It always looks really sassy, and you can use it other times of the years too. But this one is a classic. I love to use that for our pop of the drama. Then I mix the same pink that's on the outside of this ribbon. And then I'm mixing it with a little bit of lighter pink. We're going to be using these candy corn. They're not candy corn, they're gumdrops. These gumdrops in that piece. And these are glittered and sparkly, kind of like these are frosted. So it's a perfect combo to bring them in. So I'm going to use all these 3 ribbons together to make this bow. So the first thing I'm going to do is load my widest ribbon first on my bow maker. And you guys, if you want to get more bow making videos and floral design videos, you know you can get on our text list at textclee.com. You can also head over to Keleas.com, Keleas.com, and go to any of our supply list and grab our latest supply list because it's all there for you. We're going to use cable ties at the end, so I'm going to put these off to the side. We're going to start off with our tail. Our first bow is a funky bow, so I'm going to go at 8 inches with this one, and I'm going to twist right hand forward, left hand back. We're going to let that pop out, and I'm going to go in at 6 inches right here. So a nice size bow, not too big, and 6 on the other side. And then I'm going to scrunch, I'm going to twist it because we need a couple. We're going to do 2 on the back here. And same thing at 6. And then I'm going to twist again and keeping those loops nice and loopy. So this is going to add the drama to the back of our bow, which we love. We love, love, love that. And 6 over here. And then I'll scrunch it, and that'll be my tail. I want to make it at 8 also. So measure it out to the 8 inches, and then we'll dovetail it as well. And then I'm going to take and fluff these out. I love this little bit of curve we're getting on the edges of this ribbon. Super cute. Kind of gives it a little scalloped look. I love that. Now bring in your next ribbon, which is going to be the lighter pink. It's coming in next. And I'm going to have that tail start off going the other direction. And we'll also have it at 8 inches. So I'm going to fold it and cut up to the fold. And 8 inches on this tail, so nice and long. Twist it in the center. And now we're going to put a pop of this pretty sparkle in between each layer of the bow. So I'm going to be doing 3 loops on every side at 6 inches. It's going to give us that sparkle. Now you twist when you come to the center. I have 2 on each side. I'm going to do my 3rd one. You can see how that's going to make it shiny. Our 3rd one over here. And you want these tails to work opposite, so this one will also be about an 8-inch tail, and we'll dovetail it. Okay, now come back in with your solid pink, and it's in the same pink families on the edge of our other Harlequin we put in. Before I even measure, let me go ahead and cut that dovetail. And this one's at 8 inches. We're going to make it shorter now because this is going more to the center. I'm going to do about 6.5. And we're going to twist, and that'll give us a nice little pop out. And notice, I went the same way as the glitter tail because I like that in there. And then this loop is about 5. And we'll scrunch it down in the middle. You see how pretty that is with that pop? I love it. And let me take and trim that one down for another dovetail. Okay, super duper cute bow. I love the way we've laid it out with the drama in the back and then the solids in the front. I do usually like to bring a little of the drama back up, so let's finish off with that one on the final layer. And let's take and have this tail just go right on top of where we had the other one. So I'm going to take and dovetail it also. And let's, what I mean by bringing it on top of the other one, let's go on top of the other one over here. And now I'm going to make it shorter, about the same length as that last one that we did in solid pink. This is so stinking cute when you pop these little tails and these little loops. And this is about That other one was at a 5.5. This one's probably 4.5. Okay, and I'm gonna scrunch it. We're gonna have a tail up and a loop up. And this tail will have go down, and that loop just be right in the center. I'm just gonna cut it straight and I'll dovetail it. So a great finish on this one. Take and dovetail that last piece. Now what I want you to do is come in with your cable tie and just go right under the right side of the ribbons. Put a finger on top and bring your hand up. We're gonna get a good amount of tension. I'm gonna rotate that between my fingers and we're gonna fluff this baby up. And one of the funnest things you do on this part of the process is you literally are working on spacing everything out how it should be. So I'm separating the loops. See that pink? I want the tails going opposite. So just take your time. You've got your gorgeous ribbon in here. You really want to utilize it. And just let it work for you in there. See how pretty it is? Bring this one out and around. Look how pretty. So once you lay it all out, oh my gosh, it is cute. So we're all done. You will need to put an attachment cable tie in the back. I prefer cable ties. You can use a wire cable tie. Works the best for me, but a wire or a pipe cleaner is an option if you like those things. Then I'm going to take and flip it around. And guess what? I'm going to put the little pink sparkle in the middle to break up all the bright pink. So what that means is we're going to cover up our mechanics. I love adding a little finishing detail to our final look just by coming in here and folding it on its side, go right down the middle, and you are set. Look how cute it is. I love it. So our bow is made. Oh, y'all, I can't wait for you guys to see this one when I put it together on our swag. But in the meantime, here's how you make an adorable funky bow for a pink Halloween wreath. I can't wait to put it in.